Kia ora, ko Joe Pihema tōku ingoa, ko Rākei Te Marae.
Kia ora, ko Deb Nathan tōku ingoa, ko Waikaretu Te Marae.
Tēnā koutou, ko Francis Toko tōku ingoa, he uri a hau no Te Marae o tama te uaua.
Ko Rosie Te Tuhi Nathan, ko o Tūrei Te Marae.
Drome Te Pā, Ripia and Naumai Marae.
Kia ora, Mike Tana, Parirau Marae.
Kia ora tātou, ko Tara and Raumati tōku ingoa, ko au te tahi o ngā māngai mō te takiwa o Otamatea mō Te Rūnanga o Ngāti Whātua.
O te rāia Ngāti Whātua nui tonu. Tēnā tātou katoa.
Oh, it's really exciting. There's a whole group of 8 new trustees that have come on board. We're looking forward to contributing to our iwi and bringing a new wave of enthusiasm.
See Ngāti Whātua in its brilliance and in its excellence, through kapahaka, through resourcing, through housing, through health, having healthy Ngāti Whātua people who are fluent in te reo Māori and do well in education.
Our people were ready for change, kua huri te tai. The tides have changed and our people's voices have been heard. And I think the obligation of this new trust board now is to really listen and heed the voice and the reo of our people.
It's really about how we bring our people together, connecting our rangatahi to the stories and narrative of Ngāti Whātua, our own kōrero, and kia rere pai tō tātou waka.
I think it's just a time for change. A lot of our whānau are ready for the next generation. As I said in my kōrero inside, I'm one of the returns on investment from that. I'm ready to go help my people out.
What we must do is take on the work that the board before us have done and find that direction as we talk today from our marae, from our takiwa, get their kanohi ki te kanohi and get their dream, get their aspiration. And let's just get on and do it.
Making sure that our people understand what the Rūnanga, how the Rūnanga services them, and stabilising that.
Just hei reo mo te haukainga, to represent the aspirations of our people that have gone before us and for our young generation coming up.
My hope and aspiration to achieve well my time on board is to really listen to our people, and carry their voices from our marae, from our hapū, right to that governance table that is Te Rūnanga o Ngāti Whātua.
I'm really humbled to be able to work on behalf of our people, to serve our people, and hopefully to bring a number of positive changes to our iwi.